Hello everybody, today in Infy's kitchen we are going to see how to prepare Margherita Pizza, which is one of the famous Italian dishes. Now let's go and see what are all the ingredients needed. 200 grams of wheat flour, preferably type 55, 8 grams of baker's yeast, some amount of olive oil, 50 grams of tomato paste, 80 grams of mozzarella cheese. And finally, some basil leaves, but I took mint leaves here as I was not able to get basil leaves due to the coronavirus quarantine period. So by having these ingredients, we can do pizzas for 2 persons. Now let's see how to prepare it. Add half a teaspoon of salt and mix it with 100 milliliters of warm water. Once the salt gets dissolved, add yeast to it and wait for 15 minutes so that the yeast will be developed. Add some flour and prepare the pizza dough. Finally, add some olive oil and knead the dough. This prevents the dough from getting dry. Now close the dough and wait for 2.5 hours minimum or wait till it rises. My dough rised very well after 2.5 hours. Take half of the dough and make it flat by using a roller. Take the baking sheet and put it on the grill and add some olive oil on it. Now dock the dough using a fork. Add some tomato paste and spread it well, and also don't forget to add some salt to it and also give it a nice spread. Preheat the oven by keeping it at 200 degrees Celsius. Cut the mozzarella cheese into slices and put it onto the pizza. Fold the edge of the dough so that when the cheese gets melted, it will not overflow. Give it some final touch with olive oil and put it into the oven and bake it by keeping it at the middle of the oven for 15 minutes and next 5 minutes by keeping it at the bottom of the oven if you need the pizza to be little bit crunchy. But if you don't wish it to be crunchy, just cook it for 20 minutes by keeping it at the middle. That's it, Margherita is ready. Finally, top it with some basil leaves and serve it. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, try this recipe at your home and tell us your feedback in the comment section. And also, don't forget to subscribe the channel to stay updated.